Hi friends, welcome to a Sunnyside Design video. I am Michelle.
And I'm Steph. And today we're so excited to showcase a video today all about Convokins. They are sponsoring our video and they have these super cool napkins. They're called Convokins and they have conversation starters in there. And so today we're going to show you a couple of different ways that you can style a beverage cart for all your summer parties.
When summer rolls around, we really love entertaining in our backyard. And if you don't have a lot of pieces of furniture for entertaining outside, outdoor pieces, get creative and bring something from inside your home out for pieces for serving your food off of. That's exactly what we did here. You know that we love to be mindful of our budget and look for ways that we can save money. And so we looked around the house and decided that this console table would be a perfect fit for our refreshments, our appetizers, our beverages. We did this because this particular table has a lower shelf on it, and we are able to add a spot for a tub with bottled water. There's still a spot for adding a little bit of decor with some fresh flowers. So get creative when you're thinking about entertaining, about how you can repurpose and use pieces that you may already have in your home. I also love to have everything set up as a self-serve type of thing when I'm entertaining. So I'll have a buffet table, I'll have a table set up for beverages and appetizers so that everyone can help themselves. Anytime I am entertaining, I love to incorporate fresh flowers. And instead of purchasing fresh flowers for this table, I decided to just bring out my orchid from the house and a couple of my house plants to just kind of add to my patio to make it feel a little more luscious and a little bit tropical. If you've been on Pinterest or Instagram at all lately, you would have noticed that these charcuterie boards are all the rage, styling anything from desserts to meats to cheeses. And so we took our little version here and created a styled tray of fruit for our tropical summer entertaining. Other ideas that you could add to decorating your refreshment table or your beverage cart would be some seashells. You know, when I think of summer, I think of the beach and treasures that we've collected from the beach. So those would be perfect to incorporate into your display. And another fun way to make it look festive and fun is on your water bottles is to cover the label with either some printed duct tape or some printed paper to make it look pretty for the occasion. For this tropical summer themed refreshment table, for our drink, we wanted something kind of special and a little bit out of the ordinary. And so we made a drink with guava, mango, and pineapple juices, and then added a little bit of sparkling water to that. And so make it special, make it fit the theme of what you would like your party to be. And then remember to add in some flowers, maybe some houseplants out there, some treasures from your summer vacations, and artfully display your food. We've now styled the same table for a patriotic 4th of July celebration, with our theme being, of course, the old red, white, and blue. We began by creating a bunting to hang across the front of the table using 3 bandanas. We simply knotted them together and then secured them to the table underneath on the sides with a couple of thumbtacks. To bring in a little more decor for that bottom shelf, I brought in an old Coca-Cola crate and added a few flowers to the top of the crate, and then added some fun specialty drinks that are in red, white, and blue. And then we also added some flag duct tape and wrapped it around our water bottles for our beverages in the tub. Our beverages dispenser is filled with a red fruit punch, and then we've created some hors d'oeuvres with some vegetables and dips, all in red and white. So we've got some strips of red bell pepper, some cauliflower, cherry tomatoes, and then we've got jicama stars. We made thin slices of jicama and used a small star cookie cutter to cut out our little stars there. In keeping with our red, white, and blue theme, we have some pico and some blue and white corn chips and our Convocan napkins, which are a great way to kind of liven up your party, especially if your guests don't know each other. Not only are these Convocan napkins fun for the adults, but I will tell you that the kids enjoyed them just as much. If you are looking for something fun for your next party, you can find these Convocan napkins on Amazon, and we will leave the link in our description section. Now we're ready to set the patio table for our patriotic 4th of July party. We first laid out a burlap table runner and then added the old vintage Coke crate. In that, we placed 3 milk glass bud vases and then added a flag into each one. And then to embellish the Coke crate a little bit more, I added a few stems of flowers. And then I added another milk glass bud vase on each side of the table with a few more flowers, and then just sprinkled a few more of these artificial flowers around on the table runner. For each place setting, we're going to use a galvanized charger and then a blue and white striped plate. These are Stephanie's everyday plates, which are really fun and festive for the 4th of July. And then we're going to add a red salad plate on top of that, and then top it with our Convocan napkin and then a small little flag. I'm going to finish off the place setting with some special pieces that belong to my grandmother. The milk glasses, and then the silver plate utensils. We hope you found some ideas that you can incorporate into your entertaining in your own backyard, or some fun ideas for your patriotic celebration. Please let us know what you liked and share with us if you've got some great ideas for entertaining in your backyard. We would love to hear from you.
So what are some of your favorite elements from this table decor?
I think these convocation napkins are so fun, and as we use them with our family for a little get together, they really enjoyed asking each other the questions and getting the responses.
We had lots of giggles.
We did. It was really fun. But it's so fun to create a beautiful tablescape for summer or patriotic celebrations during the summer.
And these napkins really are great for any kind of gathering. They're white and gold, so they could be more elegant, but they can be a little more playful and casual like we've done here as well.
And let me just say that they're really easy to pick up on Amazon, so we will leave the link for you for those as well. So if you liked this, give us a thumbs up, share it if you've got some friends that you think might enjoy this video, and subscribe to our channel.
And let us know if you want to see more tablescapes and what kind of themes, because we have lots of goodies up our sleeves and we have fun putting these together.
Thanks for watching a Sunnyside Design video where we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.